NASCAR is a dangerous sport. These drivers, they're usually driving on a knife edge between keeping it on the track or crashing into the wall. So it's important that we give drivers a car that can perform and perform safely.
At short tracks this year, Goodyear has been moving towards a softer compound tire. That tire ends up giving more wear, which makes for more exciting racing, but more rubber is coming off, and that rubber often is going to get packed into your car, which can then lead to fires.
Through the season, there will be a random fire here or there, but specifically at Richmond, the fires were a little bit more intense than usual. We had a good number of cars catch on fire out of the field. One, the fire luckily extinguished itself. The other one caught fire and it eventually melted a brake line, and that's what took us out of the race. We're lucky no one got hurt from that. So NASCAR needed to come up with a fix to reduce the chances of fires, and they told us we could do a debris shield. A debris shield is a device that goes onto the car under the hood to prevent debris from piling up. And once NASCAR said we needed to have these, we had 4 days between having to have a design and having to have parts on a car.
So the initial approach to designing the debris shield was to figure out what would be the easiest to manufacture, quickest, lightest that we could get into the cars. First steps we took in NX where I pulled up our complete vehicle model and isolated the area where we were going to be working in, extract the surfaces that would work, and then rebuild back those surfaces to match our end part and match our vehicle. The sheet metal application in NX was pretty critical to getting this done quickly. We were able to take flat surfaces that all came together at all different angles and generate a flat pattern and generate a bend table that we could then give to the fabricators. Getting the initial design quickly to a point where we could have the fabricators mock up a part on the car at the end of day one to allow me to go back in, update the CAD morning of day two and get it out to vendors for water jet cutting.
With a challenge that comes up like the debris shield, well, we need a reaction fast. Siemens has all of the tools for us to come up with a solution, learn new skills if we need to, and get that final product done as fast as possible.
As both a driver and an owner for RFK Racing, I like to tell people that we have the quickest feedback loop in motorsports. Partnering with Siemens is partnering with a blue chip company that understands digital engineering and offers a suite of software that is, unrivaled, whether it's in design or in analysis. It's those small breakthroughs that drive our performance. They're tiny innovations, but when you're in a sport where we talk about tenths of a second being the difference between winning and finishing last, those small innovations really matter. Without Siemens software, our organization couldn't function. It's that critical to us.